Ms. Clark, the soccer coach, gathered her team before practice and said,
Teamwork is the key to winning games.
she claimed that when everyone works together, they can achieve more than if they try to play on their own. To support her claim, Ms. Clark reminded the team of a game they lost because everyone tried to score by themselves instead of passing the ball. She then showed them a video of a professional soccer team working together to win a match. She explained how each player's role was important and how they passed the ball to each other to score goals. The team realized that Ms. Clark was right. They started practicing their passing and communication, and in the next game, they won by working as a team. Comprehension questions. What is Ms. Clark's claim in the story? Ms. Clark claims that teamwork is the key to winning games. What evidence does Ms. Clark use to support her claim? She reminded them of a game they lost because they didn't work together and showed them a video of a professional team winning by using teamwork. How did the team feel about teamwork after seeing the evidence? The team realized Ms. Clark was right and decided to practice their teamwork. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss an author's claim stories. I'll see you next time.